Hey, what's up guys? This is Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. So just wanted to go over this 2023 Kawasaki krx41000. This is a really good client of ours. This is the same client that has the red two-seater that we just showcased a little bit ago. This particular vehicle is more of his regular trail family machine. The other one is meant to really get crazy. We wanted to keep this one a little more subtle, keep the cost a little bit lower compared to the other one that we just did. So what we started with was 2 pairs of Rockford M1 Marine speakers in the doors. They do light up, as you can see. We chose blue for this theme. It just matches the gray and gold really well. And then we did a PMX2 radio in the dash with a custom dash kit. We have an FM antenna in here. We added an extra dual USB charger on the dash. And then we went with a Power Series 1500 watt amp, which is fully waterproof. That's behind the rear seat. On this machine from the factory, it had the upgraded Hi-Phonics system, so it had real little amp, and it had actually a 10-inch enclosure that goes back here. The issue was you couldn't hear it because of this rear window. This is his more of a laid-back kind of just cruise with the family, basic machine. So he does have windows on the side of this. And in turn, it's hard to get bass inside the vehicle. So he's a huge music guy, as you can tell, and we wanted to get some good deep bass in here. So the only solution we were able to come up with that made sense was this killer fiberglass box up on the ceiling. So what we did was we came down about 2 inches off this roll bar here, built this box with this nice contour. It's 2 10-inch M2 subwoofers. Obviously you got the lights in there. These seats are really low, so your head only lands about here. So you still have plenty of room. This thing acts, it sounds amazing. Really, really cool design, very unique. You look at them in there, the subs, definitely something different. A ton of work to get this in there and fit properly. Our buddies over at EC Liner were able to spray line it, so the whole entire enclosure is completely waterproof. It's watertight, thing's solid. It's got bolted right through the roll bar. So it's a nice solid structure. Really, really clean install. This thing came out amazing. If anybody needs anything like this done, whether it's a side-by-side, a boat, 4-wheeler, 3-wheeler, whether it's Can-Am Spider, anything like that, of course, cars, trucks, Jeeps, please give us a call, 610-328-0301. Thank you, guys.